This 1985 Land Rover Defender 110 has undergone a remarkable metamorphosis unlike any other seen before. Originally a two-door hardtop, it has been meticulously converted into a single-cab, two-seater pickup truck by 3R Automotive in the U.S. Renowned for its no-expense-spared approach, this build boasts a standout feature, a supercharged 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering both stunning performance and aesthetics. Acquired in 2017 by its current owner, this long-wheelbase Defender underwent a comprehensive transformation that required an investment exceeding $350,000, resulting in what could arguably be deemed one of the most potent Defender builds to date. The Land Rover Defender holds an esteemed position as an iconic off-roader with a storied legacy. Introduced in 1983 as the Land Rover 110/110, its robustness, adaptability, and terrain-conquering prowess swiftly captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Evolving from its predecessors, the series Land Rovers, the Defender introduced notable enhancements including a full-length hood, revised grille, improved suspension and brakes, and increasingly potent engine options. In 1983, the original Defender 110 was offered with engine choices akin to the preceding Series 3 models, initially featuring 2.25-liter engines and later introducing a 3.5-liter alloy V8, subsequently upgraded to a 3.9-liter iteration. The advent of 1983 heralded the birth of one of the most beloved 4x4 vehicles in history, with a significant proportion of the original models still in circulation today, attesting to their enduring resilience and longevity. For Land Rover enthusiasts, the notion of discarding or neglecting a Defender borders on sacrilege, driving a culture of restoration and reimagination. The bespoke customization showcased in this instance deviates significantly from the factory-standard Defender of 1985. Executed by 3R Automotive, a renowned Colorado-based restoration workshop founded by racing driver Robert Robb, the modifications have elevated this humble Land Rover into a formidable machine. Foremost among the alterations is the conversion to a single-cab pickup configuration, accompanied by a host of performance enhancements and a robust powertrain. Finished in pearl white with contrasting black accents, the vehicle exudes a commanding presence, riding on imposing 35x12.50 Goodyear Wrangler MT/R tires mounted on black finished 15 wheels, accentuated by a black roof, checker-plated bed flooring, and distinctive black wheel arches and bumpers. Exterior features include a front-mounted worn winch, alloy bash plate, and tubular steel radiator protector, augmenting both aesthetics and functionality. At the heart of this beast lies a potent 6.2-liter LS3 V8 crate engine from GM Performance Parts, augmented with a 2.9-liter Whipple supercharger, LS hot camshaft, custom exhaust manifolds, and a bespoke 3-inch exhaust system. Generating an astounding 650 horsepower, 659 PS, this powerplant propels the vehicle from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in a mere 5.3 seconds, dwarfing the performance of the standard 1985 Defender, which mustered a modest 113 horsepower, 115 PS. Power is transmitted to all four wheels via a 6L80E 6-speed automatic transmission sourced from GM Performance Parts, coupled with a dual-range transfer case. To complement the formidable engine, the vehicle has been equipped with upgraded brakes and suspension, featuring TerraFlex lifted suspension components and Land Rover Discovery disc brakes. Internally, the cabin has been tastefully appointed with two Recaro bucket seats upholstered in black leather with houndstooth inserts. An aftermarket console, housing cup holders and a powertrain control solutions push-button shifter, separates the driver and passenger seats. A Puma dashboard wrapped in black leather hosts controls for the heater and vintage air climate control system, an Alpine double-den stereo system, keyless starter, USB plugs, and a configurable MOTC engine management system, ensuring both comfort and functionality. Presently displaying a mere 2,609 miles, approximately 4,200 kilometers, on the digital odometer, indicative of the distance covered since the completion of the project, the true chassis mileage remains undisclosed. Robust, potent, and aesthetically captivating, This custom 1985 Land Rover Defender epitomizes the pinnacle of Land Rover customization, offering a blend of performance and allure. Scheduled to go under the hammer at Meekum's Glendale auction in early March, with an estimated price range of $140,000 to $150,000, it comes accompanied by comprehensive refurbishment records, a dyno sheet, and a clean Colorado title. If you loved it, hit the like button, subscribe for more, see you in the next one.